Welcome back, space explorers. Last time we traveled through the inner solar system, but today we're going even farther, to the giant gassy outer planets. Buckle up, we're about to blast off.
Bush Learning.
Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! First stop, the biggest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Can you see that big red circle? It's a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. It's been raging for over 300 years. That's older than most countries. Jupiter has at least 95 moons, the most of any planet in the solar system. Some may even have life. Jupiter's gravity is the strongest of all planets. If you weighed 50 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh about 120 pounds here. Time to head to our next stop before we get stuck. Now, let's glide over to Saturn, the Ring King. Even though they're enormous, Saturn's rings are actually super thin, only about 30 feet thick in some places. These rings are made of ice, dust, and rock stretching over 170,000 miles wide. Saturn is so light for its size that if you had a bathtub big enough, it would float. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has lakes of liquid methane and a thick atmosphere. Scientists think it might be like early Earth. This planet is so beautiful, but we have to head to our next planet. Next up is the ice giant Uranus. Check out that cool bluish-green color. That's all the methane gas in its atmosphere. Unlike any other planet, Uranus is tipped over on its side. It rotates like a rolling ball instead of spinning upright. It's also one of the coldest planets, with temperatures dropping to minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit. At least your ice creams won't melt. Uranus has 27 moons. They're named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope's plays. How fancy. Next up, the final planet in our solar system. Last stop, Neptune, the windy planet. It may be far from the sun, but it's packed with powerful storms. Neptune has a storm called the Great Dark Spot, where winds blow up to 1,200 miles per hour. Faster than a jet. It's the most vivid blue planet, thanks to methane in its atmosphere absorbing red light. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun, taking a huge 165 Earth years to complete just one orbit. That means a single year on Neptune lasts longer than an entire human lifetime.
Wow, what an incredible journey through the outer solar system. Let's quickly review what we learned. Jupiter is the biggest planet with a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. Saturn has the most spectacular rings made of ice and rock. Uranus spins on its side and has a beautiful blue color. Neptune is a windy planet and the farthest from the sun. Space is full of amazing wonders. Thanks for exploring with me. If you enjoyed this video, why not like and subscribe? See you next time for another adventure.